Hi guys and welcome back to another Think Truck It's Friday. Today I'm going to be talking through and looking at everything that's included in our ADR kits. So first, if you didn't know already, ADR stands for Accord Dangereux Routier. That's definitely not how you pronounce it, but we'll go with that. And it's the European regulations concerning the international transport of dangerous goods by road. Learn something new every day. So our first product as part of the kit is the Universal XBlock wheel chock kit with chassis bracket, which you can fit in under 10 minutes. This super quick to fit HGV wheel chock kit is a must-have for hauler, fleet or workshop. The kit comes with a pair of revolutionary XBlock wheel chocks, our universal chassis mount bracket, R-clip and bolt kit, ready for you to fit. Made in Italy to the highest standards, XBlock is the #1 choice for space and weight savings whilst maintaining performance. The XBlock has an innovative structure in plastic with steel core that combines low weight and high performances. It folds in on itself and 2 wheel chocks occupy the space normally taken up by one standard wedge, hence no second holder is needed. Weighing 1.2 kilograms, the XBlock is 40% lighter than traditional G53 wheel chocks in plastic. With this nice strong chassis bracket, you simply pull the pin and then you can slide the chock on and off. The chock themselves open up into an X, and then neatly you have a full-size, fully regulated HGV wheel chock. Next up we have the perfect solution for quick and easy access for a fire extinguisher with storage on your truck. This top-loading box is made from super durable materials and is fully approved for use in or on your motor vehicle. The box has a footprint, making it perfect for mounting in between the wheel arches of some 6x2 tractor units. The box is supplied as a unit with no additional fixing kit. Customers are suggested to bolt through the box and secure with their own means. Along with the extinguisher for the outside of the truck, we also have a 3 kilogram powder fire extinguisher for the inside of the truck. Keeping safe all the time. This 3 kilogram powder extinguisher is placed on a bracket so it's out of the way but still easy to access. The extinguisher is bolted onto the bulkhead of the bunk. And finally we have the folding Haschem ADR board vertical book style. The stainless steel corrosion resistant folding hazardous chemical plate comes with an extra toggle to hold the plate in place when open. This folding Haschem plate comes with an easy clip system for the convenience of the driver. As this ADR kit is all about safety, it's definitely worth mentioning our chassis infills. The chassis infill is nice and simple and fills in the gap on the back of the cab for a safe working area for when the driver is hooking their Suzies up. I will also link above here a fitting guide, right now, so you can see how quick and easy it is to fit one of our chassis infills. That is everything we have for this ADR kit. It's great for the safety of your driver with all the products being stored out of the way. I hope you enjoyed this short but sweet video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications if you'd like to see any more from us. And comment down below what videos you'd like to see. Any guides, any demonstrations, any unboxings, just let us know. But yeah, I will see you next time. Bye! But I'll see you next time. Bye! Nah, that's really not me, is it? Hi! Awkwardly waving for too long. That's enough for me posing now. Peace out, everyone. Have a good day. Happy Friday.